Hi guys, welcome back. Sazzy's cooking again, and tonight we're making some Cajun chicken with some noodles. Kimchi noodles, obviously. I have already prepped my chicken. I've had it marinating in the fridge for a while now, so that's ready to go. So we're going to fry that off and add some other little bits for a sauce. Hope you enjoy, guys. Let's get cooking. Right guys, so we're just going to get the oil heated up in the pan, and like I said, I had my chicken marinating in the Cajun spices for a little while, so we're gonna get these heated up, add some tomatoes, some paprika, some garlic, some stock paste, some chili puree, and you never know what else. Let's find out. So we've got our chicken sizzling away, cooking nicely. Don't you just love that sound? Perfection. Smash the like, guys. You know what to do. Share it out. I'll enter you into my competition. Could be a lucky winner. And have a visit with a meal from Sazzy. Right, so they're nearly cooked now. We're going to add the other ingredients. Actually smells really tasty, and I've got a little surprise to show you after this, guys. So make sure to hit the like and have a think about what the surprise could be. Let me know in the comments what you think the surprise could be. Right, we're going to add tomatoes. Yummy, yummy, yummy. We're going to add some chili paste. Yummy. We're going to add some smoked paprika. We're going to add a little bit of Coleman's mustard powder. Just a little, oh jeez. So that was a lot of mustard. I managed to save it a little bit. So let's get this simmer on the simmer. I'm going to add some garlic and some pepper to this now, and I'll catch you all in a moment. Right, so we've added some more Cajun seasoning. We've added some garlic granules and some black pepper. I'm going to add some chicken stock paste. There we go. Yummy. Baby, it's time. Right, let's get mixing and leave that to simmer for a bit. Looking tasty. Let's get the noodles on. Right, so we're going to do the noodles now. Let's get them on. 4 minutes we have to wait for these, that's it. Look at that now, guys. Absolutely delicious. Got my plate waiting. Want some food, please? So I said I was going to give you a surprise. I made a cheesecake, guys. Sazzy's cookie caramel cheesecake. Yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Right, the noodles are done. Gonna add spicy seasoning to the noodles. Stir them all up. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Get them well mixed in. Well, it's done, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Smells delicious. Let's go in for a full-on taste test. I don't need that much noodles. Mmm. Oosh. That is nice. Hot. Nice. Right. I'm gonna demolish this. I'm gonna demolish this, and then we're gonna have a slice of cheesecake. Catch you in a minute, guys. I've got my cheesecake. Yummy, yummy, absolutely yummy. Got my big spoon too. So nice, so absolutely gorgeous. Caramel, oosh, very nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, everyone. Don't forget to hit the like, share it out, and comment. Tell all your friends. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye for now.